By the way, sorry about the audio at the beginning of this. I didn't have the mic down. I'm still kind of new. Good morning. Hope everyone's having a great day. Because you know what? We get to trade. It's time to trade. 6:48 in the morning, and there is no doubt, if you look right here, that the buyers are in control. The early birds have chosen that they are going to go up. It's a long day. The wind is blowing to the north. So already it's starting to set up. There's some pullback. That's good. That's what we need. So what we're going to do is just kind of keep our eye on this for probably the next 15 minutes and then wait for that to drop back down. See if we can't catch a position going long. It's early yet, so we gotta let these guys kind of sort it out. But I think it's gonna be a good trading day. Let's go. All right, this thing is starting to set up. It is starting to tip over just a little bit. It's not like a super strong trend, but I do think we're having our sell off just a little bit. So I think if we drew a little line right here, somewhere in there, it's a steep grow, obviously, but I think it's gonna pull back up. So the time has come to make our first trade. All right, it's time to get serious. All right, probably not that serious, but we're gonna buy at the market price. Now, always, for me, it's a 10 pip limit and a 10 pip stop. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, send it. Boom. All right, we're in the market. I don't know why. I've done that a million times, and it's still exciting for me every time. And if you don't get excited about trading, you really probably shouldn't do it. This is just fun. So we're instantly out of the money, 2 pips. Yes, that happens every time. I'm pretty sure this one will get stopped out, and then we go to work. We find our rhythm, we start churning. It's kind of like the warm-up right now. All right, it's starting to happen. There's always that kind of pullback, that breather, especially on a big up. You're gonna see, it's like a wave going into the ocean and then the current pulling it back, and then the next wave comes in. And so what we're playing is the wave. We had our pullback, we entered about halfway through that, and now there's another wave coming in, so we're up about a pip right now. Let's just see if this thing grinds away and gets up there. Okay, so you can see this thing's starting to set up. There's a little bit of resistance right through this area, and it kind of like hits it, pulls back. That's pretty normal, and it's either gonna like fly or it's gonna drop back down and have a bigger pullback. It's a 50-50, right? And that's the fun part about trading, is you really just don't know. You're making your best guess. But we're up 4 pips now almost 5. It's kind of grinding in the right direction, and so I don't know, this is exciting. Every time this is fun. Okay, so this thing is starting to dance around a little bit. We had a pretty big pullback right through this area, and now it feels like there's some momentum. If you look at this trend right through here, there's definitely a trend to push up. So I think this is gonna set up, move through, and go, which is always really exciting when you make, it's really a guess. Like, trading is a guess, and you're guessing long or short. That's it. It's a 50-50 chance. And so the better you get at guessing, the better your closure rate will be. And so it's always kind of fun when you do look at the chart, make a decision, and then it goes in the way you kind of planned. This isn't closed out, but it feels like it's going that direction. So, and there is a top right here. The nice thing is, see this top right here? This is just outside of our take profits. So it makes sense that we got a chance, just a chance, that will hit. Oh, here we go. 8.5 pips. Come on, baby, run it. Come on, baby. It's close. Here we go. Come on, baby, push through. Hit it. Oh. Right? That is so fun every time. Okay, so trade closed, pips down, made a good decision. It really was a guess, but it was a good guess, and that was fun. So, hope you enjoyed. See ya.